Hi, I'm Elizabeth Mitchell.
And I'm Brian Bielski, and we're partners at Finesse Design Remodeling.
Here with your tip of the week. So many of the clients that we meet with are suffering with a small and closed-off kitchen space. This makes it very difficult to be able to entertain for family or friends, or to be able to keep an eye on small children if you're fixing dinner or breakfast. One of the solutions for this is to open up the kitchen to some of the neighboring living spaces, such as a family room. But many of our clients, whether they have spoken with a well-intentioned friend or neighbor, are under the impression that this isn't an option for them because that wall that they want to take out is load-bearing, or it has plumbing or electrical or ventilation ducting in it. And they've also been told maybe that it's just cost prohibitive. This is not necessarily the case, especially if you're working with a licensed professional design-build contractor. And you may be able to actually get that wall taken out of the way, and it may be a lot less expensive than you realize.
And we remove load-bearing walls like Pac-Man eats biscuits.
We do.
At times when we come into these older homes in DC, we have a situation where we have to cut radiators out to make room for more cabinets. And the problem becomes then, what do you do about creating enough heat back in the kitchen after you take the radiator out? And a lot of people don't understand that they make special toe kick heaters that fit under the cabinet, and you can buy them in either 120 volt electric, 240 volt electric, or you can either get water generated toe kick heat. They fit under the cabinet so they're invisible. They have a blower on them which you can control remotely from your phone, and then what you do is you put a HVAC grill in the toe kick under the cabinet, which you can paint the same color as a toe kick so it kind of disappears, and that'll blow warm air out. So it's kind of making up for the fact that we had to remove a radiator to create more cabinet space. Another thing I wanted to talk about with toe kick ventilation is that sometimes we remove a wall and there'll be an air duct that traveled up and then diffused out the face of the wall. So rather than move that diffuser out into the kitchen floor where it would be visible in either the hardwood or the tile, what we do is we blow it up into the bottom of the cabinet with a 90-degree boot, and we diffuse it out of the toe kick so that it's hidden and that you're still getting the air into the kitchen that you had.